student, let's see some examples of unitary method. Now here one example is there. Brinda finished reading a book of 240 pages in 12 hours. How many pages does she read in 2 hours? So students, first of all, what is given? 240 pages she read in 12 hours. That we will write first. So number of pages. Brinda read in 12 hours. That is 240. Now in unitary method, first of all we have to finish one quantity value. So here we have to find out in 1 hour how much pages she read. So number of pages, she read in 1 hour is equal to, for that we have to divide 240 divided by 12. Now 240 divided by 12, that means 12 2s are 24, 0s are 0. Okay. Now that means in 1 hour she read 20 pages. Now what is asked? How many pages does she read in 2 hours? Now the second step, you have to multiply it. Now for that, number of pages she read in 2 hours is equal to, how much pages she read in 1 hour? That multiplied by 2. So what you will get? 40. So therefore Brinda read 40 pages in 2 hours. Now one more example. A bus covered a distance of 592 km in 8 hours. What is the distance covered by it in 3 hours? So first of all we will write the distance. What is given, that we will write. Distance covered in 8 hours is equal to 592 km. Now we have to find out how much distance covered in 1 hour. So distance covered in 1 hour is equal to 592 divided by 8. Now we'll start dividing here. 592 divided by 8. 8 sevens are 56. 8 fours are 32. So we got here distance covered in 1 hour is equal to 74 kilometer. Now we got the 1 hour distance. Now we have to find out the what is asked. Multi hours means we have to do the multiplication. 3 hours is asked. So distance covered in 3 hours is equal to 74 multiplied by 3. For that, 3 4s are 12, 1 carry, 3 sevens are 21, 22. So we have to write, therefore the distance 2 kilometer distance covered in 3 hours. Now see solution for this example. In the maths test, there were 10 questions of equal marks each. The total marks were 50. Mita got 6 questions correct. How many marks did she get? Now here what is given? For 10 questions, total marks is 50 and Mita obtained 6 correct questions. Now how much marks she got? First of all, what is given that we will write. Number of marks given for 10 questions, that is 50 marks. Now we have to find out how many marks will be there for the one question. So number of marks given for one question, for that total marks divided by 10. So you will get 5. So for the 1 marks, for one question 5 marks will be there. Now number of marks, number of questions Mita got correct. Her 6 questions are correct. So for that how much she got? For that we have 1 question marks multiplied by how much questions she has given? 6. That will be 6 5s are 30. How many marks did she get? So we have to write, therefore she get 30 marks in maths test. Next solution. A bookseller had 30 sets of class 5 books priced at a total of rupees 47,040. He sold 25 sets. How many did he collect? So, a bookseller had 30 sets of class 5 and the price of that is rupees 47,040. Now, first of all, we will write the cost of 30 sets. Cost of 30 sets of class 5 is equal to rupees 47,040. Now students, we have to find out the cost of one set. Is equal to total given price divided by number of sets 30. Now we will do the division one side. 47040 divided by 30. As divided by 30 means you have to think about the table of 3. 30 ones are 30. Okay, bring the 0 down. 35 are 150. 204. Now 36 are 180. We have to regroup it. 0, bringing the down. Now 38s are 240. Okay. So the cost of one set we got here rupees 1568. This is the cost of one set. Now we have to find out the cost of 25 sets. So cost of 25 set is equal to cost of one set multiplied by what you have to find out, that you have to multiply. I will start the multiplying one side. 1568 multiplied by 25. 8 5s are 44 carry. 5 6 are 30, 34, 3 carry. 5 5s are 25, 25, 26, 27, 28, 2 carry. 5s are plus 2, 7. Now we'll start multiplying with the 20. That means 2 will be here. 8 2s are 16, 1 carry. 12, 13, 1 carry. 10, 1, 11, 1 carry. 2 and 1, 3. So we'll add it. 0. 4 plus 6 is 10, 1 carry. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1 carry, 9 and 3. So we got here rupees 39,200. Now we have to see how much money did he collect. Therefore, a book seller collected rupees 39,200 for 25 sets.